This short guide explains how to buy shares of Ringmetall SE, a European industrial engineering and manufacturing group listed on Xetra under the ticker HP3A.DE. This information is educational only and is not investment advice. You need a broker to trade stocks. We use eToro as an example to show the typical steps. After signing up, you will usually verify your account with an ID and must add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HP3A.DE to find Ringmetall SE. Confirm the exchange shows Xetra to ensure you have located the correct listing. Open the asset page to read the company summary and inspect the price chart. Double-check the page confirms Ringmetall SE and the Xetra listing before proceeding. To buy, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After execution, your Ringmetall position will appear in your portfolio. A reference link to eToro is provided in the description for convenience.